My name is Leon Ng. I'm the CEO and founder of LNG Studios. LNG Studios is a creative visualization agency that specializes in 3D renderings, animation, 3D printing, scanning, and immersive experience such as VR, AR, and MR. We work with industry that are seeking tech-forward solutions to thrive in our increasingly digital world.
I'm Alison. I'm the tech project manager at LNG Studios. Grieg is an aquaculture company specialized in fish, hatchery, and seafood production. Basically, they need to build a few hatchery tanks. Traditionally, their Norway counterpart would come to BC and oversee the entire process and get the tanks certified. But due to pandemic, there's just some restriction for traveling. So their challenge is basically having the Norway counterpart in BC without actually being in BC.
What we've done is we've started developing an app, and in conjunction with LNG Studios in Vancouver on Microsoft HoloLens.
This application allowed them to visualize the assembly instructions and details about the assembly process of their product. So being at the cutting edge of the emerging technology space, such as AR, we had to come up with new interactions, new ways to display information, especially more complex information such as assembly instructions, detailed plans, at a resolution and at a system that would be more accessible to the users on site.
This whole virtual reality piece has allowed us to be instantaneous and have that expertise on site and have that continuous conversation.
It was really interesting working with Grieg as a client because they were in an industry that is not typically serviced by emerging technology like AR, for example, but it offered a really good use case example of how we can apply our AR technology to help companies in a variety of spaces, especially ones that may not have even considered this kind of technology before.
I think that things are changing very rapidly. Every single week, every single day, there's something new that's coming up. And innovation's always been a huge, important value in our company.
We need technology development, and it needs to continuously be innovative and developing. And it's a strong drive within the industry.
Sounds good.
What excites me about technology? Because it's cool.
Yeah, it's cool. There you go.